के हजुरको स्किन पनि टायर्ड फिल हुन्छ अनि ड्राई अनि फाइन लाइन and no hydration at all? Because we found a perfect product for you. Let me introduce you to MEDICUBE PDRN Pink Peptide Serum. It is super lightweight, so it absorbs quickly. Just apply 2 or 3 drops and pat it on your skin. It instantly feels soothing and hydrating. This serum has PDRN, which helps repair skin damage, and peptides that boost elasticity and firmness. Basically, it helps your skin recover while keeping it smooth and plump. यो प्रोडक्ट युज गरेपछि हजुरले 1 to 2 week मै हजुरको स्किन प्लम्प भएको अनि हाइड्रेट भएको हेर्नुहुन्छ. यसको मतलब नो टायर्ड अनि नो डलनेस. For hydrate, firm and glow skin, grab yours now from KPG Beauty.